Good afternoon, everyone. We are at Aldor Family Farms this afternoon. It is Halloween, so it's the last day of this pumpkin patch being opened, and there are so many people here. We are in Langley, so it's like just an hour away from downtown Vancouver, and I thought I would take you guys around the pumpkin patch and show you what's going on. We've got a goat right here.
Have a hoof up?
Honestly, rest in that hoof. That's interesting. I don't know if I've ever seen that. He's scratching in his horn. Hi. Aren't you cute? Hi. I love them so much. But supposedly the goats have eaten too much, so we do have some food. Elliott is with me. Say hello, Elliott.
Hello.
So we're having a cute little Sunday afternoon date sesh, and yeah, I think this is what we can, but they said not to feed the goats.
Yeah, they ate too much.
They ate too much yesterday, so maybe, are there any other animals in here though, but apart from goats? I think it's just goats. Right?
Do you want to talk to goats?
Let's go talk to goats though.
Like this guy's He's not hungry.
I know, it's so sweet. They are...
Guys, I found one of my own. There's an emu here, and it is so scary. You're scared of them, right, Elliott?
I'm not scared of them, I wouldn't say, but they're definitely intimidating.
They are so scary. Let me show you an emu's face. They're like full-on dinosaurs. You are terrifying. Hi.
Got the smallest head for how big his body is.
I know. Hi, little one. You're really scary though. I dare you to touch it without food. It's all feathers.
It's all feathers.
Yeah. I mean, look. I appreciate you because you're Australian, but honestly, my little sheepy, you're so much cuter than the scary emus. Look at you. Look at you. Hi. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Babe, they're gonna butt on in. Hi, Papa. Hi. I don't have any food for you.
They just have...
You crazy eyes. What?
It's just...
Tickles? Guys, this cow is enormous. It's really hard to fathom how big this cow is. So Elliott's 6 foot.
It's like 6 foot tall.
It's
It's a little bit up.
huge. I've never seen a cow this big. Hi. It's amazing. Hi. It's so big. Hi, Papa. I'm not scared of a cow. Oh my gosh, they're so funny. Guys, there we go. They literally sound like Cooper, my dog. Hi, look at the little cute faces. They're so hungry. So we're in like the main section of the farm right now. I'm filming on Elliott's phone because my camera died. So we have a llama over there. We have something going on over here that there's a line for, which I'm pretty sure is like babies. Big Bob.
Yeah.
That must be.
3,700 pounds.
Yeah, so that's Big Bob.
I think that's probably a descendant of Big Bob.
Oh, right.
Yeah, but still, same concept.
And then over here, I don't really know what's going on. There's probably a bunny in there. What are you? Oh, hi. Oh, you're so sweet. Yeah, there are a couple in there. I hear cows. Do you want to go check out the cows?
There's an animatronic pig.
Oh, I don't like that. Oh, what's in here? Okay. We have a donkey.
Kitties.
What? They're kitties? Oh. Okay, this is the scariest thing I've ever seen. Oh, I don't like that at all. It has hair. What's in here? Little duckies? Donkeys. I love donkeys. Hi, Papa. So yeah, there's a lot of people in here. A lot is going on. I think it is Big Bob. Oh no, they've got like different facts. Just a random chicken. What's its name?
Robert.
This is Robert, the Jersey cow. Elliott's feeding. Hi. There's the zoomies.
Let me by your tail.
Yeah. Oh no. Oh my god. This one is like got the zooms. Let's go annoy the mum. Oh my goodness. I love this one. The troublemaker.
He's real chaotic, yeah.
The chaotic energy with this pig. Let me get your tail. Let me get your tail. So cute.
They're bigger.
It's hyping up the rest of the pigs. Aww.
So gentle. Where do you want to take me?
Elliott.
Alright. Let's let other people hang out and say hi. Alright.
I can't leave this cow. In this cute little back section of the farm, and now we are walking back. They have puppies, they have kitties, and they have so many other baby animals here. So, but the queues were huge, which is understandable. Like, who doesn't want to hold a puppy?
Big lines.
Big lines. But yeah, sorry about the camera change. I know that this is probably really shaky because I don't ever vlog on an iPhone, but here we are. This place is huge, but we've done so much. It's only been an hour, so you don't need like a lot of time. You can do everything quite quickly. And yeah, we had a farm sausage, so probably ate one of the piggies, or it's a bit rough. Yeah. But yeah, it's just up behind us. So you can get donuts, popcorn, drinks, coffee. So you can have lunch here. There is a tractor coming, so. We literally only saw pumpkins for like 2 seconds because there were so many animals here. We had the best time. It's like 5:30 now and it's freezing cold, so we're gonna head home. But I hope you loved this little pumpkin patch vlog on this Sunday afternoon. It was so fun. We just petted like bunnies just then, and
would recommend if you're into
kitties, puppies. It was amazing. So many animals. It's like way more animal focused than pumpkins, but you can get pumpkins here too. So definitely 5 out of 5. Did you think so as well?
100%.
Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you did like it, please give it a big thumbs up and hit subscribe if you would like to keep up with my videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.